Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to take database offline and bring it online in SQL Server. So this is not a good task to do the offline and bringing to online, because whatever the transaction is going on, so that will be hamper on the if you are keeping the database into the online. And we'll be using two ways to take database offline and bring it into online in SQL Server, using the SQL Server Management Studio graphical user interface, and second is the T-SQL script. So go through the SQL Server Management Studio, just select one database. So I'm selecting that my database is just sales order, and just right click on the sales order. So you will get this options. So go to the task, and there is your options is the take offline. So with the management studio GUI, we are doing that. So click on the take offline. So it will take a few seconds to take offline, or if anything is going on the transaction of the on this database, so that time it will take more time. So this is a success. My database is in offline now. So see, there is a down red arrow is there, so means that this database is in down. And if you want to access the database, expand that database, so you will get an error. So you are unable to access the database. So next is, now I'm going to bring it online again. So right click on that, go to the task and click on the bring online. So it will take few seconds again to bring it online. So now my database is, the status success. So my database is in open state. Let me refresh that. Okay, now we can able to access the tables and whatever the procedures we have written on the on the database tables. So everything is accessible now. So in the first option, we already completed using the SQL Server Management Studio. Second is using the T-SQL script. So this is my T-SQL script. Copy that. New query. Sales order. Alter database sales order. Offline. Set offline with the rollback immediate. So this I'm going to select that one and execute. Fail to start in the current database. Current database switch. Okay, switch to master. Cannot respond. Yeah. So let me select. So now I'm going to run this very alter database sales order to set offline. Command is completed successfully. Let me refresh the databases. See, the sales order database is offline. If you want to expand, then you will get an error. The database sales order is not accessible. And click on OK. So again, if you refresh also, you won't be able to access the database. So now I'm bringing into online. So alter database sales order set to online. So clicking OK. Command successfully. Let me refresh this. Yeah, now my database is online. So in this video, we'll learn how to take database offline and bring it online in SQL Server. We are using two ways to create offline and bring it into online. One is the SQL Server Management Studio, another is the T-SQL script. Hope this video will help. Thank you for watching.